Ciao everyone and welcome to a new episode of Learn Italian 0 to Hero. Today we'll learn how to hyphenate words, in Italian sillabare. Though the necessity of hyphenation has diminished due to technological development, understanding how to divide words into syllables provides significant help with verb conjugations, gender nouns and plurals. The practice of dividing words into syllables dates back to the constraints of the written language, influenced by the physical limitation of page size. For centuries, there was no standard method, leading to varied and inconsistent approaches. Things started to change with the advent of the movable type printing press, which brought some uniformity. However, it wasn't until the 20th century the standardized rules were established. The Italian National Unification Body, UNI, set these rules in 1969, ensuring consistency and efficiency across all sectors. Modern Italian grammar adheres to the standards. So, what are these rules? Well, before diving into the rules, we need to understand what a syllable is. A syllable, or sillaba in Italian, is the smallest phonetic unit within a word, marked by a distinct articulation. Every syllable must contain at least one vowel, a diphthong, or a triphthong. In Italian, a syllable can consist of a single vowel, for example, a in amore, a vowel plus a consonant, for example, all the syllables in albero, a vowel plus two or more consonants, for example, the first two syllables of cappello, a diphthong, for example, uo in uomo, a diphthong plus a consonant, for example, luo in luogo, a triphthong, for example, iuo in aiuola, or a triphthong and a consonant, for example, miei. Italian words are categorized based on the number of syllables. Thus, we have monosyllabic words, single syllable, and polysyllabic words, with multiple syllables up to 11 in the longest words. However, polysyllabic words are further classified according to the number of syllables composing the word. Polysyllabic words go from bisyllabic, 2 syllables, to endesyllabic, 11 syllables, since the longest Italian word, without counting the transliteration of numbers, is precipitevolissime. And now that we have all the necessary tools, let's finally see the rules. We divide hiaruses, for example, zi-o, a strong vowel at the beginning of a word, for example, a-mo-re, a diphthong or triphthong at the beginning of a word from the following letters, for example, au-gu-ri, double consonants and c-q consonant group, for example, tetto or acqua. Consonant groups that are not allowed at the beginning of a word, for example, caldo. Finally, consonant groups formed by 3 or more consonants, such as RST, NTR, LTR, RTR, and BTR before the second consonant, even in the presence of prefixes such as inter, trans, iper, sub, super. For example, altro. However, we do not divide diphthongs and triphthongs. For example, a-io-la. Digraphs and trigraphs. For example, fa-mi-lia. A group of consonants formed by B, C, D, F, G, P, T, or V, and L or R. For example, atletico, K. Finally, a group of consonants formed by S and another consonant. For example, ska, to, la. That said, one last tip. Unless the rules state otherwise, consonants form a syllable with the following vowel. In conclusion, understanding how to divide words into syllables in Italian not only helps with pronunciation and reading, but also with conjugations and declinations. By learning these hyphenation rules, you'll enhance your Italian, bringing you one step closer to becoming fluent. So, embrace the art of sillabare and let it guide you through your Italian language adventure. Grazie for watching and
Arrivederci.